Hey guys, this is Ricardo and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. So guys, I'll be trying something new, and of course you're seeing here the PlayStation 4, which is a game here called God of War, which is God of War 4, and this is a PlayStation 4 exclusive. Now if you missed my unboxing of my brand new PlayStation 4 Pro 1TB edition, you may click on screen right around here or look in the description below. I'll have a link to this and a full review, as well as links so you can actually purchase this on Amazon. Alright, so as you can see here, the rating, and this game is rated for 17 years and older, and it has a ESRB rating of M for mature, and this game was created by Santa Monica Studio. And if you know anything about God of War, it's one of those hot titles out right now. Alright, you can pick this up for about US $55 to $60. The price may vary or change. Alright, so God of War, as you see here, and you can see the great artwork on the front with Kratos and his son. Alright, so I'm just going to show you the sides here. This is still sealed, brand new, and you see the God of War logo on the back here. Let's just flip this over, and of course you can see the game here. There is some highlights from the series and just a few features and just a quick intro. You notice the various features here. One player, 50 GB minimum needed to be installed. DualShock 4, this PS4 Pro enhanced. So I have a PS4 Pro, so that should work quite well. There's some other descriptions and warnings, and of course this contains blood and gore, intense, violent, and strong language. Alright, so I'm just gonna open this up. There you go. Just gonna strip this off. This is the first time I open this up, and it has that new smell. There you go. And this might have been bounced around during shipping, so things might be out of whack. Oh, of course the game is quite alright. That's nice to know, but it was just wobbling a bit around, so I'm just gonna set this back in. Alright, and of course you can see the game. I like the blue interior, and you can actually see much more of the artwork on the inside. And of course you see, not sure what this is, look like some golem and some monsters. You can see them in the background. You can see on the God of War this up here, the same material warning, PS4 branding, and of course there's something there, a structure in the back, and some characters. And you see Sony Interactive Entertainment, and here is the God of War limited edition loot crate, and some other information along with what's this, Detroit, this has become human, and of course this belongs somewhere over here, so I'm just going to slide this back into place. But of course here's the game itself, so I can just press and it pops right up. Let me just careful not to scratch this, and there we go. This is the disc, this is the lens. Of course quite clean and new. I don't want to mess this up in at all. It's always good to see for a new device or the box. Alright, so in case you're thinking of going to pick up God of War 4, this is what you should expect out the box. Alright, this is a quick look. If you have any more comments or input, please leave them below in the comment. This is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time guys. Bye.